The following presentation is intended for financial advisors only. This event may include statements that contain forward-looking information, and such statements may be subject to risks and uncertainties, some of which are significant in scope and by their nature beyond the controls of the investment advisor. There can be no assurance that such information will prove to be accurate, and historical results are not necessarily indicative of future performance.
Well, greetings. I'm Mike Hurley, Chief Market Strategist for NexPoint, and welcome to our Market Minute for Monday, May 17th, 2021. Well, important last week, or maybe I should say important next week, is again that US dollar. We've been watching it for several weeks now. It's down testing truly critical support in the 90 area, because if that breaks, it could certainly kick off a vicious round of inflation going forward. A friendly monetary policy and global geopolitical instability should lead to strength in gold in addition to a weak dollar. And that's exactly what we're seeing is strong gold miners, and overseas markets, particularly emerging markets that are still holding support in China. Stepping back and looking at the big picture, you can see after 4 good weeks in commodities, they're finally starting to cool off, as you can see at the top left chart. That's a good thing and in no way indicative of a new bear market to come. Typically, when you see these flag patterns on charts, the leg out of the flag is the same direction and extent as the leg in, and that's exactly what happened with the recent rally in commodities. Because of this, we're moving our short-term outlook on commodities to neutral. We still think commodities are seeing a strong reflationary trend, just that trend may be pausing over the short term. As for interest rates, they continue to go sideways and digest their gains, much as we're expecting commodities to do in the weeks ahead. And as for stocks, it continues to look like the S&P and the NASDAQ may be falling into a consolidation or correction. You can see the S&P has strong internals up around the 4,200 area, whereas the NASDAQ also up around a new high at 14,000, but with much weaker breadth and leadership. So again, stocks a bit of a mixed picture, and it looks like we may be seeing ongoing consolidation within a bullish trend overall. I've been Mike Hurley with your Monday Market Minute for May 17th, 2021. We'll see you next week.